Hola amigos! Welcome back to the Mexican Made Meatless channel. Today's recipe is one that has been a favorite of mine since childhood. We are going to be making ejotes con huevo or green beans with egg. It may not be a combination that you're either used to or have seen before, but trust me, it is a fantastic one that you are going to love. The very first time I made this for my American husband, he absolutely loved it, and ever since then, he's requested it quite often. You can serve this as a vegetarian main dish paired with some refried beans and warm corn tortillas. It makes a very satisfying meal. Alternatively, you can also enjoy it as a side dish to accompany just about anything you'd like. Okay, let's get started on this super easy recipe. We'll need 1 pound or 500 grams of fresh green beans. I like to cut off both ends, but this is up to you. If you don't have access to fresh green beans, you can use either frozen or canned. If you're going to use frozen, you don't need to defrost them, just simply throw them in at the required time. And if you're using canned, simply drain and again just toss them in when the recipe calls for it. For fresh green beans, we need to cut them into smaller pieces. Next, in a large pan, we heat 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use your favorite vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add 1 small chopped white onion and saute it with a little bit of salt just until it becomes soft. Now we add 2 to 3 serrano peppers, or you can also use a large jalapeno for a less spicy option. Next, we add 3 minced garlic cloves and we give it a good stir. Carefully add the green beans, mix and add 2 chopped ROMA tomatoes. Stir until everything is well combined, then add a little bit more salt and some ground black pepper to taste. We're going to cook the vegetables just until the green beans reach your desired tenderness. So you can leave them a tad crispy or very soft and tender. It is completely up to you. We turn the heat down to low, and in a separate container, or like you see here, I used a measuring cup, we lightly beat 4 eggs, then pour it into the cooked vegetables. We begin stirring to help evenly distribute and cook the egg. Nice and slowly, we continue stirring until the egg is completely cooked through. And now we're ready to serve. My husband and I love to eat these green beans with refried beans and a big pile of warm corn tortillas. We'll also have some pickled jalapenos and whatever salsa or hot sauce happens to be in the fridge that day. In case you missed it, do watch the previous video to see how I prepared the delicious refried beans to go with this satisfying green bean meal. I really do hope you give this recipe and meal a try. I am convinced that you are absolutely going to love it. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cooking and adios amigos.